What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can join a Spearsmanship contest in Crimson Desert. Are you a spearman who just wants to test his damage output and combos with a worthy opponent? This Spearsmanship contest will be a good playground for just that. You can find one northwest of the town of Hernand. If you zoom in, it's just to the top right of Lion Crest Manor, exactly where my waypoint is at. To join, simply approach the host in the center of the arena. If you don't have a spear, you'll be prompted to equip one, so make sure to have one ready. Next, just pay the participation fee and the contest will begin. You are free to use any of the basic and special attacks or combos as long as it's with the use of a spear, but anything else like a force palm, kick, or punch will result in disqualification. Also, using spears with special affinities or abilities will get you forfeited, like this Electro Mecha Spear, which has an added lightning damage to it. Now during the match, stay alert, keep your guard up, and time your hits. Your enemy will mostly have higher damage and HP than your character, so don't underestimate them. Once you defeat your opponent, you'll get back your participation fee on your first win. If you maintain a win streak, you'll earn higher rewards after each win, so play carefully and seriously. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.